Hey everyone, how are you all? I welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is Doctor and Forex Trader. And so we are here for another live session. So those who don't know, let me tell you, we regularly trade NAS 100 live here and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. Alright, and we are using a 5 minutes time frame and we are simply doing price action trading, that's it. So today is day 4 of 2024 of passing this challenge. This is a $10,000 funded challenge phase 1 and the target to reach is 7.5%, that is $750 profit. Okay, and right now we are standard at $128 profit. So we'll try to pass it and we'll give our best. So this week's target was to hit 100 subscribers on YouTube and we have hit that, and right now our count stands at 103. So I promise that one lucky subscriber I'll give a pizza party for sure. So let's see in today's stream who is that lucky one. So without wasting much time, let's start today's session, right? So now you will be seeing the screens. I hope my voice is clear and my chart is very much visible to everyone. So this is the chart you are seeing of NAS 100. Yesterday we didn't took any trade as we were not having any opportunity, right? We just made a few levels and did not take any trade. And this is our balance 10128. This is not refreshed. Our balance is 10128. Okay, and this is the target which we have to clear to pass this phase, 7.5%. All right, so without wasting much time, let's proceed to this session. Let's clear all the previous drawings. First we'll analyze regularly as we do 1 day time frame. Simply what you can see is, on a broad sense it is uptrend, but still it's dicey, because if you see it like this, it may be a lower low, right? So not very much clear. Shift to 4 hour time frame, it's clear downtrend, right? Now 1 hour time frame, simple clear downtrend, right? 15 minutes time frame for making the major levels, one of the most important time frame for us. I hope everyone agrees to that. And one time level which I would like to mark is this one. Okay, I have always told you that in markets it's always a zone. There's never a particular point or a line. It's kind of a zone, right? So one is this one. Let's mark one downside level also, although things are not pretty clear, but still we can see that this time also it got a wick rejection here also. So let's see it's here also, so we can see that it is kind of an interesting zone. We can take it as a level. Now shift to 5 minutes time frame. We have 2 levels for us. Now things are simple. First analysis, breakout, a retest with an engulfing candle, then straight upside trade of at least 1:1.5 risk reward. Otherwise, a double top, a retest, and then a fall. These two straight analysis right now are possible. Clear? So in just 2-3 minutes we have made the analysis for ourselves, for which we have to react in the market today. Anything else happens, we'll be sitting, not doing anything, just relaxing. All right. Now you are free to ask any questions, any doubts, anything you want to ask. I would love to answer your questions. If you are new to the channel, first please see, observe, and if you find me compatible with you, my trading style compatible with you, then only like the videos, otherwise not. I don't want any fake appreciation or anything. Each like matters absolutely. That means if someone is liking, that means the things are clear for them and I am able to provide you something valuable. And if you have any doubt regarding trading, any doubts regarding funded challenge, any doubts regarding any other thing financially, any question you can ask me. Whenever you are waiting for your setup or anything like that, Always try to keep your mind very calm, right? Don't overthink regarding anything. Because when you start overthinking, when you start overlooking, overjudging, you face difficulties. Like if we have made an analysis, just review it 1 2 times, then it's okay. Now just leave it to market. When you get properly your setup, only then take any trade. Otherwise, leave it. But if you keep on overthinking, your mind will provide you hundreds of suggestions while you are waiting, right? In my initial days, I know that at every candle you get a different setup in different strategy, and you can get an entry at any candle you want. And this is what? This is nothing your mind plays with you. It provides you different scenarios which even does not exist, but you start seeing different setups in a single screen only. So always try to keep your mind crystal clear whenever you are sitting in the on the trading screen. Always. It's been almost 2 months. Have you ever seen me? Except 1 or 2 times I change my analysis, what I decided in before. Very rarely I do this because I don't overthink. But I am also human. I can do mistakes. It's not like that I will never do any mistake. If I would not do any mistake, I would be, able to earn as much as I want. But it is not like this only because I am also human. I can also do mistakes. Everyone can do mistakes. Anyone who is saying that he doesn't do mistake in the trading, just stay away from that person. This is a very genuine advice. So now our job is to just simply wait for our any entry if we get, otherwise nothing, just keep observing. Don't try to take any random trade or don't try to force any trade. In North India, now it's getting too cold. Good evening. It is breaking out. Let's see. Nothing to do right now. Just wait. We will see. Tell me any stock name. Tell me the name of any stock. I'll do it. Till the time we are waiting. Let's suppose we are not knowing this thing. Okay, market closed here. Suppose this is not here for us. Now we are here and we have to analyze for tomorrow. What we'll do, first we'll mark one or two major levels. One is this, other is this one, this. If you think it of like this way, in morning only this was a bearish engulfing candle at the nice level previously. Simple trade was this. Then again, if it was have been a breakout, a retest, then you could have gone long, but it was again an engulfing candle. Now it is kind of a double top. Simple trade. Again you got almost 1:1. Maybe it shoot down also and touch this level. It is quite possible. Price action trading is simple support resistance, right? Never thinking of things too deeply. Don't worry, next time or today only we'll analyze any stock for Monday. Then check it on Monday. Okay? Because right now things are already happened. So we'll analyze anything in advance. We have to be a little careful today as a weekend is coming, right? And you know we don't hold trade over weekend. So if we took any trade, we have to be a little cautious. Just hold on for a second. So it is kind of breaking out. Let's see how it behaves. Nothing can't be said unless it is done. Okay, you can't predict anything in advance. So it is breaking out. Let's see if we have a retest and we get any entry. Let's just wait patiently without doing any misbehaving with the market. Don't try to tease the market, okay? Otherwise, it will tease you once and you will never come back. Just keep a good brotherhood with your market, with the instrument you are trading. Develop a good hold. Like over time in a relationship, you know your other person inside out. Same like that. Try to know NAS 100 from inside out, such that you know how it behaves in different conditions, in different chart scenarios. You get a good hold on this with the time passing by. It's not an issue if it takes even 1 year to you, because after that 1 month will be enough to make you enough money, okay? And then there will be no looking back. So always have patience, never try to hurry. If you try to hurry, the things move far away from you. But if you are calm and composed, giving the things proper time they deserve, You will get the desired results one day for sure. And don't hesitate to hit a like button if you like the analysis, not forcibly, if you like only and only then. So now we have to wait for the retracement, right? This thing is now over. And let's mark one more level for above side. We may need once. This one also, it's a level. This one more, this one, why I am using these levels, you can see market reacted to these points, right? That's why. And same this, it is reacted multiple times. So it has broken this one also. Currently nothing is in our hand. We have to just wait and watch and keep on tracking. If we get any trade, we'll surely take it. But in past I have saw such things. These kind of candles are formed to properly take the sellers out, right? And then I have observed market fall down because many people would have placed stop loss orders here for sell side. So it's quite frequently stop loss hunting done in this way. Many people would have stop losses here. So in once, this is I am telling from my personal experience because I have done this. People keep on moving the stop loss above. The market forms such a candle that everyone thinks not everyone thinks, but market tries to hunt all the possible stop losses. This is I have observed frequently. That's why I am saying it is possible that it may shoot up also, but it's possible that it may fall down again. Let's just check whether there is any news or not. Okay, at 8:30 we have a high impact news today. No worries. We'll move according to our analysis. If you feel sad about waiting, always think that it took a lot of courage to not take any rubbish trade while sitting at the screen and seeing the charts and seeing the candles move up and down, and still having the patience that you are not doing any rubbish thing while sitting in front of screen. Always tell your mind that it's always 5 to 7% about execution, 90 to 92% is about waiting, right? So it is very, very highly possible that out of 100 trading sessions, you would have been traded only in 30 40 times. Rest 50 60 times you may not get your setup, so you may have to sit just keeping your hands on hands and doing nothing else, right? So never feel disregarded, never feel sad about waiting. Reality of trading is this only. It's not just pressing buttons up and down. No. It is to wait patiently for your perfect setup, right? So it is coming for a retest. Let's see whether it becomes a retest or it becomes a double top or it falls straight down. Everything is possible. And always remember the hard earned things stay longer in life, right? Despite of the things that you got in any lottery or anything like this. When you do hard work for anything, you have given your each and everything for that thing, that stays for a longer time in your life and you feel well deserved for it. But if something is handed in your hands simply, you will not, you know, have enough value for it. And there's one advice, always try to calculate your profits, calculate your results in terms of percentage, never in terms of amount or money, right? That gives you a great confidence and that gives you an idea that what really is trading. It's not about money, it's about return on investment, ROI, right? If you're making $100, but suppose if two-person are making $100 per day, but one is making from $1,000 and one is making from $1 lakh, is there no difference? If you would have been comparing it with money, then there is no difference. But if you would compare in it percentage, see how massive is the difference. One is 10% and one is 0.1%. So always compare, not compare, always try to analyze your results in terms of percentage, not in money. I hope you are getting me what I am trying to say. And when you once start becoming profitable, try to increase your capital as much as possible. Instead of running to increase the rate of interest, try to increase the capital. And if you have a constant rate of interest also, you will get enough money when you will start increasing your capital slowly, slowly. And one day things will get better for you. Those who don't have money from their parents, from their families, have to pass from this phase, right, of life. A very few percentage of people get money like from their family backgrounds, right? Otherwise everyone else have some done some hard work to earn it. So never think inferiorly about this thing. Everyone has a struggling patch in their life. After that struggling hard work, you get your door of success. This is the path which everyone has to follow, no doubt. No one can skip it. Some does hard work physically, some does hard work mentally, some does both. No opportunities as of till now. If you are mentally weak, trading is not for you, right? If you don't have enough patience, trading is not for you. My words may seem bitter, but it is true. Truth is always bitter. Because if someone thinks it like this, suppose from past 4 days we have took only one trade and that too loss. So if someone who is weak at mind may lose his or her mind, what is this happening, this, that, rubbish thoughts may come. But one, the person who is calm, composed, knows that it works like this only. These things keep on happening regularly. When trend is in your favor, things are in your favor, you may have winning patches also. Continuously 6, 7 winning trades. But same thing is on opposite side also. And it is what that matters. Even if you lose 5, 7, 8 trades in a row, you are not kicked out of market. You are playing it certain way that still you have enough, potential to come back. that is known as surviving in the market, and it is the first most basic thing that everyone should follow, should learn. Profit is, byproduct, it will come someday, but first is surviving in the market, protecting yourself from blowing your account. It is the first main thing that everyone should learn. This was a breakout of level and retest also, but still, and a bullish engulfing also, but still I didn't took any trade. Why? Because the stop loss would be this, and our first resistance is at this level. So we would not get any 1:1.5 trade. There is no use of taking such trade, right? If this would be the target, we would have think it of once. But now no chance of taking this entry. It may form a double top here and fall down. Always follow your rules. Before taking any entry, check it everything. Is every criteria being matched? If yes, go for it. Otherwise, leave it. Very simple. Let's see how is Bitcoin doing. It is going nicely, very nicely. Always remember when such huge wicks start forming in Bitcoin, market has started trapping the leverage holders, right? Because many people, what they do, they open their positions on leverage on very big size, assuming that now it will shoot up and now we'll hold the Bitcoin till the complete rally and it will never come down, right? So Bitcoin has a very good habit of surprising these people. What do you think? It will shoot up like this? No, it may shoot up, but what will it do? It can form any time a huge wick and kick all the leverage holders out in just a matter of seconds, right? So these big wicks in Bitcoins are a symbol that a good run is preparing for itself and it is keeping the leverage holders again and again out. When it may shoot up to here, you may get a wick so long, even a five, six, $7,000 wick. Quite possible in just a matter of seconds, just to kick leverage holders out. Because I have been that leverage holder few times in past, and I know what it behaves. I have been, the victim of this. But right now I know how things behave, so I'll not do any such mistake in market. This is what matters. You learn from your mistakes. Today time is passing very slow, right? Or am I thinking like this? It's not even 1 hour till now, and it's feeling like we are sitting here for 2 3 hours. I felt this. If it is a double top, still we will not take the trade. Why? Because it is not from any major level. So our confluence will not be getting it. We can think of it only if it gives us a retest and a bearish engulfing candle. Then we may think of it because three of our confluences will be ticked. Just wait for a second. I have a call coming. Yeah, so we are back. So it's a double top. Not till now. I am seeing something else also. Let's wait and watch. So now what I am seeing is two scenarios. If it is a double top, then a retest, then a sell trade. Otherwise, one thing which I am seeing is that selling buying pressure seen to be formed here, right? Let's see if we get this or not. So both the chances are possible right now. I have told you. Let's see. Whichever takes place, we may look for it. If it would be from any major level, then we would have got a direct one, right? But not right now. Yeah, so that buying selling thing is right now happening, but can't say anything clearly because it would even be a stop loss hunt also for all the sellers who would have sold here thinking of it as a double top. Market keeps on manipulating things like this very frequently. This candle is too big to take any trade. If we have any retest, then we may think of it. Otherwise, we leave the things here. Because this This pattern is here is too small, right? The potential of this going up is almost finished in this candle only. If it would be a big pattern, right? Are you getting me? Suppose of 5-10 candles, then there was a chance of getting a big move. But it was already a 4-5 candle pattern, so I think the potential is finished in this candle only. It's my thinking. Suppose if you see this in 1 minute, you will get to know what I am trying to say. See, if you see this in 1 minute, you get to know that it was an entry in 1 minute here, right? And then you have a good trade. But if you consider it in 5 minutes, the potential is almost over, in my opinion. That's why not very much interested. So I think let's close the session today. We don't have any trade for today, and it's a weekend. Enjoy your weekend. We'll meet again on Monday with another live session with a lot of teachings, a lot of concepts, a lot of psychological dealings, right? So have a nice weekend. Enjoy your winters. Bye bye. Take care. Your host, your friend, Dr.